Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to download Facebook Reels on your phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to download the Facebook Reels, you can just save them on your own account. So guys, you'll not be possibly able to download the Facebook Reels from Facebook onto your storage. It will be saved on your account, and I'll show you where it will be saved. Now to save a reel or download a reel on Facebook, you can see there is the Reels option available over here just beside the stories. Tap on Reels and I'll be just opening any reel. So let's pause this, and now you can see the three dotted icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap over there and you can see there is the save reel button available for us just above the copy link. Tap on the save reel and let's go back. Now that reel will be saved on your account. So to view it, you can see there is the three-lined icon at the top right corner of your screen on our small profile picture just below the messenger icon. Tap over there, and over here guys, just beside the pages, you can see the saved option available for us, or the saved tab there. Tap on there and you can see all of your saved reels will be available over here, or downloaded reels will be available over here. And then guys, this is how you download or save a reel on Facebook from Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.